some around. So yes, peeps, this is the first one that I see when I open my kitchen door in the morning. I see iguanas. Look at that. This is a baby one. Not a baby one. It's a grown one. And that in front is a grown one. And then that one, I look like him and the grandfather. Look at him. Him just big and ugly. And look at that one there. Yeah, he said this is a good size, but that's the one here. One up at top so. And big is a shame. Look at him. He's so big. And yeah. And then fast as a shame, but then wild enough people. They're so wild because apparently they get accustomed to people hunting them. And see the one in this. Once I'm happy to up in head. So then come up and then eat what them eat. After the flowers there, so after the fence, they eat what they're eating, and then when you try to go near to them, look now, I have seen it around, get it, chuck off my water a long time. I'm telling you, can't see him. I swim go over. Yes, one day I swim go over. I can't see him. Do you see him swim? See him in the water, I swim go over. Because they are very good swimmers. See him swim. See him crawl out like a crocodile under the water. Alright, so one more left. Come here. Come to Papa. Yeah? Hello, good morning. Drop off my water too. I almost dropped. Yeah, see if I drop, see what swim to across though. It's a good distance to swing across, but then reach over fast. Oh, see. I wasn't afraid of him, so him swim out. See him swim, see him go. See, people look like alligator in the water. They're very good swimmers. Don't swim. I'll swim across over the island. Okay? Yeah. Watch him. Yeah, they're very, very good swimmers. More of them over there. What's the one that they saw? No. But they are very, very good swimmers. Yes, boy. Yeah. Apparently that one the afraid of that one they say run down over there. But them love the sun. Them love the sun. So as soon as I go near them and shoot off, they're fast. Oh, one more leave. One more leave. Don't move. Don't move, don't move. So close I can go to him. Let's see how close I give me to go to him. And tail long peep. And then who attack you, only when they feel threatened, like if you back them up in a corner, then they will flash them tail at you. Yeah. And that tail look like it must look hot. I want to find out still. Say hello. Say hello world. I'm iguana. Say hello world. Look off in the water now, I see. That's it. Once somebody there, so nobody now go cross or catch them. So they eat grass and everything. Leaves. Yeah, they're vegetarian. They live off the vegetation of the earth, so they're fat. Yeah, some people eat them, some people don't. Yeah man, they're very fat. Some of them are coconut tree over there, so. Yeah, so it's the morning. The first thing I see in the morning when I come out. Iguanas. Good morning, good evening, peeps. You know, I think I do the intro already. Yeah. It's a Friday. It is Friday. So guess what now? Heading on the road. I go up on the road already and come back home. And look about some breakfast and I go back on the road. That's the beauty about my work. I can always go on the road early and come back and look about breakfast. Yeah, and head back on the road. So I'm gonna go up on the road now. But we've been getting rain. Let me show you how I go on. Been getting rain from the other day. So this is how the sky stay. Sky cloudy. And we get rain from early. We'll probably be getting some rain very early today. So let's see if we're gonna get rain early. So I have nothing planned for today. You know the beauty about it? That's some of the best videos that I do. I have nothing planned. I just go along as the day progresses. I just video what I see and how I see. You get what I'm saying? And that's authentic. Nothing planned. No script, I follow no script. Yeah, so I have nothing planned. So let's see what gonna happen during the course of the day. Yeah. So just stick and stay. And if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it. So stick and stay, peeps. Don't go nowhere. Don't change the dial. In this case, don't change the channel. There's people up on the highway. See, man, I'm clean up the highway. Yeah. This is how they do it in Cayman. So, yeah, they're cleaning the highway. It's in bush in it. So the highway stay clean all the time. There's people further down so. Yeah, so it's a landscaping company. No, not a landscaping company, an NRA. National Road Authority or Road Agency. Something like that it means. Yeah, so they're cleaning the road over there, so they get mall from over there, so they dig mall over there. I love to have a jet ski over there. So we're on the highway. We are on the highway. You see? I am driving at the speed limit. See, your speed. I'm driving at the speed limit. I'm just cruising. Yeah, the van needs service to peel away. Yeah. So we're on the highway, peeps. They're going to mash up our work, you know. Yeah, as we said, we get up early this morning. I'm going to do our work. Customer of mine wanted their full detail selling our car, so she want engine wash and all that. So I did just that. Bought some breakfast, heading back on the road. So I head back on the road, peeps. And we're near Seafire Hotel. See the hotel over there, so my uncle hotel, uncle dad hotel. Yes, people, I have a billionaire uncle. Yeah. See, and in Cayman, I know you're there, you're near the sea, so you see this there over there, so walking distance. Beach is always near when you're in Grand Cayman. You don't have to go far to reach a beach. You're surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. Yeah. Hotel, nice. So this is a new hotel opened recently. So hotel side of hotel. Yeah. Hotel side of hotel. Tourism always booming in Cayman. So we are going around here, so we're going around this side. Yeah, sometimes people don't understand when I talk patois so. So me I say, me I grow on the side here. I'm going around this side. Yeah. So, nice little house them. Some little, I didn't call them tiny house like, or cottage, what I didn't call them. But nice place, peeps. Aki tree and so. And we get a coconut tree with coconut pan, jelly tree with jelly pan, I should say. Yeah. See there? Botanical luxury cottages. So these are really some luxury cottages. So in they look like some forest. Just that must nice. Cool and thing. Yes, peeps. So I head around that side there. Head around this side. Yeah. So I heading around this side, peeps. So I'm really sure customer house exactly where I'm go and thing. So peeps, stick and stay. As me say, let's see how the day progresses. On fire, hold the fire. I'm going away. So yes peeps, done one work and I go back on another one. This is one of Cayman Water Authority. So here so the water come from that goes to West Bay. Yeah. So we're up on the road. On the road it's a Friday afternoon. It's afternoon now. It's a Friday afternoon, peeps. So I'm trying to get back to the get over the other side of the road. And the road busy. The road is very busy, peeps. Cause it's a Friday. Over there say I have car sale less. Like a big wholesale supermarket like. Yeah. Cost you less. On traffic. Vehicle are coming. Yes, peeps, so here we go. Yes, I say it's a Friday, so I hit the road. Yeah, man, head on around to the airport now. Got some work to do around by the airport. So we are gonna drive on Wesley Road. So I drive Wesley Road. Less traffic. Oh my god, the rain fall hard this. God, what up? That rain fall down here earlier. Sky is still cloudy. As I said, we've been getting rain almost every night now. And in the afternoons we get rain. So just a little bit of sun. So hopefully it's gonna be a good day today. I can finish do what I'm doing. Ladies on the road looking good also. And ladies, my babies, dainty babies. So yes, peeps, we're on the road, up on West Bay Road. So treading. Yeah. So this is past Ritz-Carlton. This is Ritz-Carlton Hotel. Yeah. So this side is the resident side. So yes, peeps, stick and stay. No go nowhere. We're up on the road. And it's a Friday. It's a Friday afternoon. It's a weekend. You know, the week not end for me though. It's a weekend. So some people glad say it's a weekend because they don't have to go back to work until Monday. But for me, the week never end. Yeah. Space, but you know, just have to work. Yes, you have to work. Come here and a jerk. The people stick and stay. No go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Yes, peeps, we're in a traffic. Let's look on the parking lot and I love the parking lot here. Look at the parking lot here, look. Very crowded. A lot of trees and grass over there. Parking lot is nice, people. Look at it. Over there must cool. Yeah. So we are in the traffic. We're up on again, Shedden Road. We're on Shedden Road. Construction are going over there, so one thing, construction is booming now in Grand Cayman. I'm gonna be sitting over there, so some construction are going. Yeah. So we're in a traffic, peeps. We are in the traffic. One of my favorite vehicles, yeah? Jaguar. I love me a Jaguar. I like how they drive. Nice, peeps. Jaguar then. And I love how they drive. Nice. Yes, peeps. When I do construction, that big equipment yesterday, they actually use it to dig a hole, because then they dig drainage first. Yeah, so they dig the drainage. So that's what they are doing there now. So if water settle up there, the water go back straight into the sea. Because when you dig the ground in Cayman and reach certain feet, yeah, it's back under the sea. So yes, peeps, we're out here on a Friday afternoon. And Friday afternoon, everybody come out. No people left work early today, especially if it's a fortnight. People come out early. Ladies in their salon, do their hair and their nails and thing. But I'm still working. Thank God, I'm still working. Still working. Okay, cool. Oh, I see. So as I say, peeps, we're out here. Yeah. And whenever time I'm videoing, if I get called, I look for the phone and ring on me. What time I do a video, I'm looking, so the phone won't ring now. So I'm in a traffic, peeps. I'm in the traffic, stoplight down this one. Stoplight down this one. Down so the stoplight that peeps. So I just want to get you to go do what because the person I go to, apparently I'm going to leave work early today because it's Friday. And if I go too late, they're going to say, let it stay for tomorrow. Yeah, and I don't believe in leaving work for tomorrow. I believe in doing it no. No as in no. What I see no is no. So yes, peeps, thank you all for watching. And always coming back to watch. Yeah, time is not so hot, but actually I'm still hot. It's hot overall, whether the rainfall. Because the rainfall, but trust me, the heat there is the same way. It seems that the rainfall and cool on the place, look like we need some more rain. They say the sky cloudy, like we're not getting the rain still right now. Probably tonight again. Because it's very windy. And you know when it's so windy, the wind actually blow away the rain cloud. Because it's very windy. So they're near to the airport with their Jake Scott stoplight. Right here on Shedden Road. We on Shedden Road. Yeah, let me say it like some Caymanian. We on Shedden Road. I tell you bloods. Big up all Caymanians. Yeah. So stick and stay, peeps. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Traffic moving again now. So we're on our way. Heading towards the airport. Heading towards the airport. Straight towards the airport, peeps. Yeah. In no time from this, not in no time, in very short period from now, when I say I'm heading straight towards the airport, I'll be looking to take Cayman Airways back to Jamdong. Yeah, I'll be heading to Jamdong. Anyway, so what I say, airport, eh? So airport, the airstrips. Airstrip. That's the airstrip, babe, over there, so. That's the airstrip. So we are near the airport. See, when you reach on the side of the breeze, always blowing on. There's always heavy wind. And it's an airport park. There's a park there. Yeah, bring our kids there and I look for the plane and thing. The airport post office too. The post office near to the airport. The airport post office. And we go around this mini roundabout here. That's the airport post office. Cayman Islands post office. And over here, so we have custom when you order things. Yeah. In the shipping company, that's where your stuff come first. So shipping company go there, go clearing. And right here, so you have Island Air. This is where when you're going on the heli tour, you go and then they bring you out onto the airstrip to the helicopter and you go on. Yes. And you even have a fire station right near to the airport right there, so fire station with some, yes, that's the fire station. Yeah, so you have the airport. See, the wind blow hard. Cayman Airways. I'll see you soon. Let's see, that's Cayman Airways. Yeah. People are coming off as a tourist. Come on to the island. They go in to get some rental cars. Over here, so get all the rental cars them when you want. And then come to Cayman. Come right across the road from the airport over there. Yeah, so the airport there. Right across the road, I get the rental cars. They more around that side. Around that side. The rental car get go there now. And I guess over here, yeah, I guess a lot of people park their car over here when they're going away also. And you have warehouse around here too. A lot of warehouse around this side. Lots of warehouse. Lots of warehouse around here. I tell ya. Lots of them around here, peeps. Yeah, around this side. It is Queen Street. When if do it around here, people, no Queen and do it. When if do it around here too, guys, it's a Queen Street. So for Queen Street, do it must around here too. Yeah. Yes, peeps, coming around this side. And over there, so this used to be beer bush, something like, and they knock it down and put up warehouses. So I'm gonna park right here. And let me see if the person is still here. I'll go get that vehicle. Let me go get that vehicle, please. Stick and stay. So yes, peeps, it's in the evening now. I'm going home and a lot of traffic on the road. And you can see it's a very rainy season. Can't hardly do anything outdoor. Can hardly do anything outdoor. So the rain is falling, but I'm still sweating. I'm just finished working at the rain. Yeah. My kind of work, I'm still still have to work in the rain. So thank God I got work still. Not much work to do, but yeah, still got a bit of work. Yeah, so Traffic going up that way, traffic like crazy. I don't have to go that way, I'm glad. So that I live in West Bay. I'm very happy that I live in West Bay. I don't have to be in all of that traffic. So yes, people, as you can see, it's raining cats and dogs, and my windows are rolled down. Cause I don't feel like turn on the AC. I'm not gonna turn on no AC. So I say road free up and look, traffic here so. So even if traffic here so, I'm not gonna be in it. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm in a traffic thing. So guess what, peeps? I'm gonna turn right here. Just me. I'm gonna turn right here. Yes, peeps. This is how we do it. Cause the traffic's up there. Not my thing. Trust me. It's not mine. That traffic thing is not mine. I never born with that patience to be in the traffic. That kind of patience, me no have. This man see traffic and him in this field. Some people selfish, you see. He see traffic and him fail for stop for those. Even though him have a right away, just make a vehicle where they may go around the runabout. Go around the runabout because the road already blocked up, so no need for hold up the traffic. Let's see. So I am not going to be in any traffic. Never bound for that. Come on, run the road. Road! Let's keep on the road. I'm still yet. I'm not gonna go there, I'm gonna go here. Cause Dundas will still have traffic same way. So if I go here so I get through a little better and go back into town. I'm gonna here, go here and go back into town. You still have traffic I go here so. So people are selfish peeps. People are selfish is a shame. You don't believe in letting you through. These people don't believe in letting you through. When people are selfish is a shame. Think you know how let me go in. And then you have to drive like you own a road, people, I tell you. Else you will not get through. If you drive like you're a little baby, they won't let you through. That don't mean that you're gonna break any laws, you know, but you know. Yeah. That doesn't mean that you're gonna break the law, but traffic not really called for. Some of them people are stupid, so stupid. That was a close one. Peeps, I've been looking at my mirror like a while, I say. I want to see how close me to the one day. And I can't afford to touch them. Just You see it, peeps? You cut out all the traffic. Cause I hate traffic. I wasn't born for traffic, trust me, not me. That's why I'm glad where I live in Cayman, West Bay. You know traffic going to West Bay, no traffic going to West Bay. I lie. So I'm not coming to town so now. So traffic in the town so now. I mean, so I cut out all light. After me, I say I cut out all the traffic. After I've been saying I cut out all the traffic. Still see traffic same way. So I guess I gotta take more shortcut then. Yeah. The peeps, this is life in Grand Cayman. It's very hard to avoid traffic. Very hard. And this is a four-way. Hospital, coming off Hospital Road, heading on back to Walker's Road. Yes, peeps, so this is how you do it in Grand Cayman. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. And if I drive this so now, I'm going to put another traffic there so. So I'm going to go there so. I'm going to take it right here. Take it right here, peeps. And go back on the waterfront. So I'm just showing you a little bit of shortcut. You know, there is always a way out in life. Always. Always a way out. It's a new building, look distant. There is always a way out. Going back on the waterfront. I guarantee that there is very little traffic here. Very, very little. Very little, peeps. You know, the road might be longer, but take the longer way, but less gas. I just sit in traffic, traffic not moving, and it makes no sense. So it's a rainy day here in Grand Cayman because the day was very cloudy from morning, so I know we was gonna get rain further on in the afternoon. I knew we were gonna get rain, so we get some rain. So we get rain. We get rain, and this is Georgetown again, peeps. So it's a rainy day in Georgetown. Grand Cayman. Didn't reach a stoplight. Oh, come. Yes, peeps. So this is what, like, I see town, or the town locked down now. This is like after 6 now. The town already locked down. On the place I got open out here, so like a little restaurants and stuff, like a bar and restaurant here. Really local food, oceanfront, great vibes. Like that are open. But everywhere else, look, it's closed until tomorrow again. So it's not lively out here. Practically dead out here. So now I'm gonna turn on Mary Street. Oh my god. So watch me turn on Mary Street. Mary Street, then turn on Mary Street, peeps. This is Mary Street. Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With speckle shells and silver bells. So yes, peeps, this is Grand Cayman on a Friday evening. On a Friday evening, this is it. You go across, yeah. And I said this is Mary Street. You have some barber shop here and tire shop and all that. And this street, enough barber shop. And then I turn onto Maxfield Lane, just like Kingston, Maxfield Lane. Yeah, there's a Maxfield Lane in Cayman also. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop in Maxfield Lane and get myself some water. Yeah. Yes, so this is it. Yes, peeps, stick and stay. No go nowhere. Peeps, we are on Eastern Avenue now, heading on to West Bay. Yeah. I would say not much traffic here. Traffic going on to Godfrey Nixon way, but not traffic on Eastern Avenue really. That's because of the stoplight. We have this also. So as soon as the stoplight change, we're on our way. Yeah, but as I can see, it's a very cloudy day. Yeah, from morning, I know that was gonna get some rain. Either will get rain in the evening or in the morning. So it is from the other day. From June start. Today is like the 6th of June. Today is the 6th of June. Yeah. So we are heading home to West Bay now. Let's head down to West Bay. See, traffic that way. So West Bay is best. See, look at that. There's no avoiding that. There's no avoiding that. But going to West Bay, we'll be able to have any traffic. Smooth sailing to West Bay. Smooth sailing, please. Smooth sailing to West Bay. Yeah. So if it's your first time coming across the channel, like up the video, like it, and subscribe. Subscribe! That is it, babes. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. And as I say, if you're doing something that you don't enjoy doing, it doesn't make any sense, you will be most miserable. You gotta do something that you love doing. Do something that you full joy doing. Yes, babes. So we just pass Rock Hole, known as Wattlers Drive. Not yeah, but Rockwell, not Rockwell, sorry. Dog City. Yeah, don't hear him. He was a Dog City, but it's actually Wattlers Drive. Okay. I do a video down there already. And on Rockwall also. Yeah, when I was showing you that, you know, no ghetto no real there came and there is no ghetto. No ghetto here. Yes, babes. The people that look familiar like me know. Me know it's for sale. Right, change. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Time to go home and get something to eat. I don't have to cook this evening. So let's go. I'll go find this evening piece. We're going home now. I was gonna say, no traffic heading on to West Bay, really. Because as I say, what are going up here, so. Sometimes I'm not traffic in a piece, but sometimes some stupid people just decide to drive below the speed limit and slow up the traffic. I see it happen all the time. Some stupid person decide to drive below the speed limit. Yeah. So yes, everything is electric nowadays. Crazy amount of electric bikes and vehicles. Yeah, look on that, go straight up. Yeah, actually sometimes they have no reason why the road block up like that. No good reason. As I say, some stupid person decides, say, yeah what, I'm gonna drive, I'm just gonna cruise, and everybody else can wait. Yeah. And because this is like a 2-lane traffic, the middle lane is a turning lane, so people don't really overtake. People don't really overtake around here. So at least traffic will flow freely still. So yes, peeps. So we're heading on to West Bay. West Bay. Style famous for that, but yeah, West is best. So stick and stay, don't go nowhere.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no.
You see, peeps, yes, almost reached West Bay. And this is the reason why I love West Bay so much. Fire truck passing here. This is the reason why I love West Bay so much. Look at that. It's two-way traffic on the highway here. Yeah, it's two-way and I have options. So when I coming off the highway here, coming off this highway, and if I don't feel like continuing on the highway straight up, I can stop. If I don't feel like go around the highway there, I can always continue straight. So I have options. I got options, babe. So this is why I love West Bay so much. West is best. So as I say, rain was falling in West Bay also. So it's a very rainy day today in Grand Cayman. At least It cools down the island because it's very hot. So I'm gonna say we reach west now. And this, yeah, thank you all for watching. Not much to vlog about now. Like I say, it's a very rainy day and all that. But thank you anyhow. I just have to give you something to watch. Because I'm trying to upload a video every day, every single day. Yeah. So I'll soon give you some real authentic videos. Yes, another like something happened, some accident or something. Another fire truck here. Yeah. Yes, here's another fire truck. So as I was saying, so thank you all for watching and always coming back to watch, supporting the movement by clicking the like button and sharing with the loved one of your friends. I appreciate you all. So until next video, big up on yourself. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do what you love. You get me I say? Peace out.
Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down.